Hello my legend modders and welcome to a tutorial video where I show you how I paint a miniature in 1:72 scale. As usual, I start cleaning the mold lines with a sharp knife. The mold line itself, it's very pronounced, so I must clean it. Cleaning the mold lines, of course, on the hand, it is a tricky part. Now let's move to the body itself and of course clean it with a sharp knife, the very pronounced mold lines. Little bit of sanding on the head. After the cleaning I just use thin glue to the joint and I start painting. I use dark yellow from Vallejo and of course Amonic Russian green for the base color. I use technique for paintings like wash color and I paint it in small layers, as you can see. After the painting I use black color and thin down to the wash and highlight some details on the miniature. And this painting was really relaxing and pretty fast forward, so maybe in the future I will do another video about 1:35 scale, like in the past. And of course I clean some excess wash with a paintbrush and the water. I must paint of course the face of this miniature. I looking through the camera with a macro lens. It was difficult to paint, but it was fun. And now I used some typical camouflage of a German army tank crew with black dots and later of course with a grey. Don't forget to paint the small details like headphones on the helm. And of course paint the helm itself. And after the painting I start paint the vest with a light sand color or a light yellow color. A few small things still missing on this miniature and then paint some bags on the miniature with a brown color, as you can see. And now I adding another dots with a light grey color, painting the shoe lens with a silver color at least, and adding the last touches to the figure, as you can see. I hope you like the result of this miniature and see you next time in a building video of Kawasaki Ninja.